finally decided to wake up. You've been quite elusive, but your skills make you worth the catch. You'll be perfect for the job. We've been having some issues with a group of thieves known as the Top Hat Clan. We know you're guilty, we just can't pin them down crimes. You'll be going into the airship to bring them down. I don't need to remind you that we've got you on several charges. Attempted robbery, breaking yourself out of prison.
En fait, il nous explique qu'on est sorti de prison. Donc, on va prendre ça. Le grappin, ça a l'air pas mal. Ça a l'air bien. J'ai envie d'essayer ça.
Check. This is Charles. Just thought I'd give you a heads up. There's a guy down there, a bad guy. So, yeah. Good luck.
Ok. Acide. Ça, c'est un aspirateur, je pense. Toc toc. Et du C4. J'ai envie d'essayer l'acide. Ah merde. Ok. Retrie. C4. Le C4 ça me paraît logique, mais après, comme ce jeu est chelou, je sais pas. On teste. Je me disais aussi. Ok. Retrie. Donc. Tac tac. C'est con. Ça. C'est bizarre en plus. J'ai dit il y a plein de solutions. Il y a plein de façons
Hey, good job there. So we should probably look for something incriminating. Something that we can use to prove that they're criminals, you know? I mean, the whole point of this operation.
All right, gentlemen, we've been tasked with developing new weapons for the crime. Any ideas? I was kind of thinking.
Alors, on se déguise, je pense. Transdimensionnalisme, je sais pas. De la colle. De la colle. J'ai envie d'essayer la colle.
No, we can't do that. Well, man, you do realize how much a solid gold cannon would weigh, don't you? Dude, we totally got enough power. What do you think, man? Well, I'm still kind of new here, so I'm not really sure what to say.
Il est où là? On le voit plus. Ok.
Oh, hey, you see that record sign? Where it says records? That'd probably be a good place to look, right? Let me just help you get across that gap.
Ok, donc... Un renard robot chelou. Charles, ça doit être son copain. Gravité bubble, plateforme. Ça c'est cool.
Okay, let me just teleport this thing in here for you.
Ok, donc c'est pas ça. Le renard robot.
Alright, here it comes.
Chelou quand même. C'est Tails, c'est Tails en mode robot.
The card in. Okay.
Some of that guy knows how to open the door. Yeah, why don't you let me take care of this?
This. Yeah.
Oh, ça c'est un minigun. Voilà, là j'essaie de mettre le minigun.
Alright, get to bring out the big guns.
Hey, you should be good to go now.
Ah, en fait, ah oui, d'accord, en fait, c'est l'hélico qui est à côté, il m'a mitraillé. Parce qu'en fait, il y a un hélico. C'est quoi, un os? Ah oui, d'accord, donc en fait, il a plus de muscles.
Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble.
Une araignée.
Oh man, that duck just flew right into the propeller. Oh, what a mess.
Sinon, je suis dans la merde. Ok, d'accord, en fait, il y avait un temps limite. Donc,
oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble.
Alors, araignée, Ninja Star. Ah merde. Ok, donc...
Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Oh, hello, Mr. Spider.
Alright, you got some evidence. Oh, wait. There's no way you're getting through there. There's lots of guys and there's lots of guns. That's all I'm gonna say. It looks like you can get around if you go through that air duct.
Allez. Oula, c'est quoi ça?
Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do?
Dans un avion, c'est moi piégé. C'est des power, c'est des super... c'est quoi ça? Ça.
Okay, shutting down the power now.
En fait, il n'y a plus d'énergie, ok. Ah bah oui, du coup, l'avion, il...
Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do?
Reroute the power.
Okay, I'll reroute the power to a random room, that's fine.
Ah, ça... Ah si.
No!
En fait, il est en train de cramer,
Henry, you're
là,
almost there. I'm right outside, so just open the bay doors and I'll get you on the chopper. Hey, what are you doing?
Yeah, we got a situation.
Là, il y a l'hélico qui arrive. Tu veux un gaz. Ouais, ça c'est une bombe à gaz. Ou ça c'est, je sais pas. Force gun. Banana. Banana, ok. Une bombe. Ah oui, d'accord. Bon, il va la manger, il va exploser. Ah ouais, elle fait des dégâts la banane. Hein. Force gun.
Hey, there's a button on your earpiece. You should press it.
D'accord.
What's going?
Ah, c'est lui le big boss là, faut qu'on le chope lui.
This could be a problem.
Allez, qu'est-ce que tu fais? Donc salut, bon, c'est la fin. C'était court, hein, c'était une petite vidéo, voilà. Ciao les mecs.